Hello guys, and welcome to this case to see these lower third molars, maybe two of the most complicated that I've ever seen in my life. So we have the mandibular canal passing between the roots and contiguous to these roots. So very difficult case even to plan the extraction. Let's see this. We are already seeing the axial slices here. You guys are already seeing, and take a look at this. We can see that both of them, the mandibular canal is passing between the roots. But of course, only with the axial plane, that's not ideal. So as usual, let's turn on our multiplanar reconstruction, as we should do always. And now take a look at this. We have the three orthogonal planes. So let's start with the right side lower third molar, the 4/8. Okay, so let me prepare. All the planes are now correct, and let's centralize all the axes on the third molar. And look at this. So now we need to understand where exactly is the mandibular canal. So we have this, the mesial root of the third molar. All right, and take a look at this. We have, if we make this tilted, the axis, we can see that the mandibular canal is here. Take a look at this. Okay, so the mandibular canal is right here. I will add an arrow here for you guys. So this is the mandibular canal. All right, the green arrow. Okay, let's understand what's happening here. If I go lingual or if I go buccal, then I see why the mandibular canal is passing between the roots. Okay, so we have the mandibular canal passing between the mesial and distal roots of this tooth. And the distal root, we have even this situation here. Although the density of the trabecular bone is very low, then we still have the situation where we cannot see properly the lamina dura of the lower third molar. So it's a very challenging situation here. Okay, but at least we don't have expansion, and if we don't have symptoms, then that's fine. However, don't forget to pay attention that we don't have the crown. Take a look at this. Probably there was a coronectomy here, and there's even bone growing. Take a look at this. There's even bone growing on top of the root now. And you guys are seeing that in the green arrow, you have just the tip of the root out of the bone because the bone healed over the entire root or root fragment. Okay, so very difficult situation here for the right side third molar. So let me reset the views now, and let's go to the other side now. Okay, so now we have the other side. Take a look at this. All the planes are correct again for the other side. And now let's see what happens here. So take a look at this. Only in the mesial roots, the mandibular canal is passing between two different roots. That means that the mandibular canal is passing between two mesial roots. Take a look at this. So it's even worse. This is the mandibular canal. Look at this. Okay. So the mandibular canal is passing between in the furcation area between the two roots, and the roots are curved. So very challenging situation here to plan this surgery. Okay, so of course you would inform the patient about the risks of paresthesia and so on, and there are a lot of approaches that you can use here. Even the orthodontic extrusion prior to the extraction, there is an article that we did about this. I will add even the article here for you guys to see at least the title for it. It's a free article. You guys can actually download the article. It's open. Okay, and let's see the distal root now. So this is the situation of the distal root. And okay, the distal root is just on top of the mandibular canal. Take a look at this, right? Only on top. That's the distal root. But the mesial roots, we have the mandibular canal passing between the roots. Look at this. Okay, so very challenging case. Very challenging case. Now the crosses are all within the mandibular canal area. So all the crosses are in the mandibular canal now. So we know that that's the mandibular canal. Okay, because all the crosses are in the mandibular canal. So very challenging case. Okay, so if you guys like, please hit the like button, and see you guys on the next videos.